Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discover the new work week and day view in the calendar view of Microsoft Lists. So let's get started. As you can see right now, I am in Microsoft Lists, and the thing which I wanted to show in this video is related to the new options available inside the Microsoft Lists calendar view. So for that, let me just go and hit in one of my existing list, which is employee data. As you can see, there are a lot of data in this, and which is having three date columns: hire date, exit date, and date of birth. Okay, so let me just try to add some data in here. For example, for a hire date, I am adding today's date, that is 02/02/2024. Okay, let me add for one of the data as well, that is, let's say 01/02/2024. Okay, so if we go and check this, that is 2nd of February. Sorry, 2nd of February is this. Let me just go and save it. Okay, so now what I want to display you is about the new options available in the view. So I'm going to create one view, and I'm going to give it some name. Let's say calendar work view. There are four options we can have in this. Like, I can view the data as a list, I can have a calendar view, I can have it as a gallery view, or I can have a Kanban board view as well. I have a separate video on this Kanban board view. If you are interested to view that, you can just go and see from my YouTube channel's lists. Okay, let me go and select this calendar view. As you can see, the calendar view has a default layout of week, so it will show all the data based on the week's view. And there are three other default layouts available: month view, work week view, and the day view. The week view is already, we all know like how that looks like, and for every week it will show the data. The month view is also, we are all are familiar, like it will show a data for the whole month on a per view base for the page. The new is work week and the day. Okay, so for now, let me just go and select this work week view, and here what it will do is it will select all of the date and time columns available inside this list. So as I said, I have mainly three columns. Those are custom columns: date of birth, exit date, and hire date. But as well as the created date is a date time column, and modified is the date time column as well. So whatever data I will select in here, based on that view, these few will filter out the data. Okay, so let me go and select this hire date, and the end date of the calendar is also going to be the hire date as a column. So whatever data I have in this hire date column will be available for this view. I can make this view as public view. Those are all the available options. If I want to provide some specific title of item on the calendar, then I can also provide the title to that. If any subheading I want to provide, I can provide also the subheading to that. Okay, so let's just go and create this view. So as you can see, the view has been created, that is work week of type view, and its name is whatever I have given, like calendar work week view. And we added two dates in this, so it is displayed like E02387, and this is another value. So when I open its value, whatever title I had is this. So let's say if I go and change it to Sigurd and save it, value has been changed. And let's say this one is one of my colleague Vaibhav. So as you can see, the title has been changed. Okay, the same way we can have the day view as well for the particular day. So this is the whole view of the February 2nd. If I want to change the day, I can go and simply change it from here using this calendar view, or else I can just go and click on this arrow buttons up and down to go to that particular date. If I want to move to the today's date, I can just click on this today's button. All of these things are already available inside these calendar views. There is nothing new in this. The only new thing is the different way of having this calendar work week and the calendar day views. So this is the way where from where I can change the view of my existing created view. But let's say I want to create a view with the day view, and we have to follow the same steps. Name, select the calendar and select the day. I can select this particular column. Let's say I'm selecting date of birth in here. So in the date of birth column, it is not having the second fab as a value, so it's not being displayed. But yeah, this is how these two views are working, and it is pretty much easy to use and create the views from here in the Microsoft list. But yeah, these are the two new views available. Okay, thank you so much.